We felt that light governance model suits our business teams and their needs. Our goal with this governance framework is very simple. It is to let business teams use the tool, be innovative, and build their automations, while we as admin team manage the platform, provide support and guidance for the business teams to be successful. Here we introduced SDLC process where business users were given dev and test instance where they could develop and test their recipes. Once they tested the recipes, admins got a chance to review it and provide recommendation. And when everything looks good, admins migrated to production. There are a couple of advantages of this process is that interested users are not restricted. They can try whatever they wanted to in dev instance. The quality is maintained as there is always a testing that is done before it is put into production. So we started noticing less failures in production. There is a visibility to the admins as they were part of this process. Then we had the governance structure. So we defined a team called Center of Excellence. The goal of the team is to provide central guidance to the users, whereas the responsibility of building and maintaining the recipes remained with the team itself. We had all the roles as part of this team defined. We had architects, admins, even dev and QA, just in case business didn't have the bandwidth to develop, this team would take it over. Our team also does periodic training to the users, and we share features that come up from time to time as part of Workato release. In this month's session with the business teams, we talked about features like zero log retention. This is very important to compliance as we don't want PII or other sensitive information to be captured in the logs. This is the kind of knowledge and support the central team provides to business users. Role-based access controls ensure that each business team had necessary access to build and run their recipes, but prevented them from accessing information of other business teams. Recipe management. This is about how admin team was able to help and support business in maintaining their own recipes. We built automations to provide list of jobs that are not processed in the last 30 days. This helped the business teams to take action if that job should be running or if they should turn off the recipe. With governance, we were able to bring down the recipe count by 48% while we retained the original functionality. This allowed us to onboard additional business teams and new use cases. In no time, they did see the advantage of this new model. They can now see that there is a team that they can reach out to in case they need help. In case of failures, they get notified, so it's easy for them to take action. Also, the number of failures in production has reduced because now we have quality check in place. They have now visibility into what's happening, what are the other use cases that are in the space, and also they get to know the new features and are able to use the new features. We empowered business teams to maintain and manage their automations while we as an admin team maintain the integrity of the platform.